Uh-oh.
Let's do it.
Uh-oh, what? Look at him. Do it for the vine.
No, really.
Do it for the vine.
You drop your nuts.
I dropped my nuts.
Zena's eating your nuts.
Oh. Whoa.
Hey.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy D back at you once again. So today, I'm kind of trying to test out my my GoPro, as you can see right here. Yeah, so that's for La Fonda, but I'm test driving it on my daily driver, just to make sure everything is good to go. Got the good tether on there, as well as you know, the suction cup and everything like that. And so yeah, so what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm just like I said, trying to test this out. This is gonna be my main GoPro that's gonna be actually inside of the car whenever I am driving and wanting to vlog. I'm actually gonna do a vlog about a setup that I bought for this camera, as far as to be able to use it inside, because as we all know, the Hero 5 Black is notorious for having terrible audio. So right now I'm just trying to dial in the visuals, and then later on over the next couple days I'll end up doing a tutorial on exactly how I set up the camera to be able to vlog from the inside of the car. So about to head over to Mark's at FilmSource, and so yeah, let's go for a ride. Nervous in the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you. What's up, everybody? I'm at the good FilmSource over here. We're about to see what everybody is doing. Here we go. Oh, what we got going here? What we got going on here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, brother? How you doing? How you doing? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing?
Good.
What's up? What's up? What's going on, Zena? Yeah, I know, man. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Alright, what you doing?
Doing good, man. Look at him, look at him. The man, the myth, the legend right here. Juan Valdez.
The film set.
Give us a beautiful Aston Martin Advantage. Oh! What's going on, man? Nope, it's too late. I got you. I got you.
Didn't drive your car, bro.
What's going on, Danny? How you doing, man? What's up, man? How you doing?
Good. We put some extra coating on that.
Put some extra. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
It's bulletproof.
Bulletproof?
Yeah, like Danny shot it 7 times. It's like 50 cents.
Gotcha. 50 cents. Ah, it's a good Alfa Romeo. Nice. Look at that.
It's nice go-kart.
Yeah. It's tiny. There.
I want to see how you get in it. How about that? Let me hold the camera. Get in it. Now we're talking. Huh? There's some vlogging. I want to. Wait, I'm just filming how these get in it.
I think I need to do like this first. Dude. Oh, damn. Alright, I think I'm good.
Yeah, let's close the door. Feel a bit claustrophobic?
Dude, this is, you get an accident, man, you're done.
Yeah, you better not get an accident because you already squashed it.
Z.
We're gonna make a series called Big Man Little Car.
Yeah.
Damn. Have you tried to get in there?
Oh yeah. I had to. Yeah, it's bananas, but it's cool. I have no idea.
It's B14.
It's the old school. You gotta put peg on.
4C.
What kind of car is it?
Oh, look at that. For all the people that aren't in the know.
I called it this car a year ago. It had like really bad water spots because she lives in the country. She had well water. She left the water resting on it. So it's covered in white.
Oh, so it's a young lady.
Like, yeah. Come on, look here.
Well, she's probably good then getting in and out.
Oh yeah, she's tiny. She's apart from something. So look, all the car used to look like this. Even
Oh,
with the
yeah.
ceramic corner. So I had to buff it. And she had a ceramic, the carbon fiber roof to replace as well. Because it has some factory failure.
Oh yeah, see the
Yeah, this is brand new.
Damn.
Daddy coated it.
Nice. Looks
Daddy, Stevie Wonder does a better job than you. Telling you.
Oh shit.
A blind squirrel even finding that.
Right. Oh man. Talk about blind squirrels and nuts.
Yeah, what do you think? What's the take on that? What's all that's it? Great.
I'm a big fan of Aston Martin. So I love this blue is awesome. Yeah, what is that? That's dope right there. For everybody who don't know, that's a good. What's the fuck? A damn Yaris or something? Oh, it's about. It's an Orkin. The new Toyota. The new Toyota Orkin. That's alright.
You notice the McLaren's on?
Yeah, what's up with that?
Exhaust things on the
Everybody look at this awesome 600 LT right here. Lantana Purple. Got the fender vents. This thing is beautiful. And of course its signature exhaust system right there. And it actually shoots flames everybody out the back here. And they ended up, yeah, this is short as hell. So, and then they got this ceramic coated as well, so that the flames don't jack up the rear spoiler. That's nice. Too rich for my blood. If I could, I would, but I can't, so I won't. However, that's my baby right there. The good ZR1. Of course, I've been talking about this for a damn year. It's finally here. Still looking good. Got the good battery tender on her. I think Giannis said he already... did he already do that? No, he didn't do it yet.
What?
So I thought Giannis said he did this already, but it doesn't... I don't think he did. No. Could have. It could have. Was that? Oh, okay. 9H. So everybody, what I ended up doing is I originally ended up coating this, I originally ended up putting XFL on here, and it was cool. I enjoyed it, but then after a little bit, I started thinking about that. I like kind of the matte feel of this. Really enjoy the matte feel and the matte look. And so there was also like lines that were from the XPEL not tacking down. And so while it looked good at, I just decided to change it up and take it off. So yeah, definitely like the matte finish.
Hey, just put it right there behind it. This?
I do down to potato.
This guy. Shut your mouth.
That's Giannis Johansson from the Everglades.
Giannis triceps.
Oh, he's trying to flex. So no flex zone now. Oh, do that again? That was pretty dope. That was pretty dope. He's up there pop locking. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what? Look at him. Do it for the vine.
No rhythm.
Do it for the vine.
Drop your nuts.
I drop my nuts.
Dina's eating your nuts.
Oh. Whoa.
Hey. Oh my God.
Oh, man.
Oh, have fun in Nashville. Shut your mouth, mate.
Uh-oh.
What is the bucket?
David and Goliath with a slingshot. Go to sleep.
Help!
Uh-oh.
Oh, not me. Not me.
Yeah, good boy.
Not me.
Good boy. I'll give you some nuts for that.
Oh.
They're all trying to make a game plan on what they're gonna do.
Ready?
It's pretty riveting.
What are we doing? What? What are we doing now? To drop the wall.
Well, so they finally figured out where they're gonna eat, what they're gonna do. Right? You take it easy, man. Nice meeting you. Rev it. Send it.
The dog's like,
You gotta send it. All right, brother. Take it easy, man. Yep. All right, everybody. Well, seems like everybody's about to go. I gotta go bowling tonight. Everybody else is about to go. Looks like to eat. So, just give you one more look at that beautiful 600 LT. But as always, thank you for coming by. If you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button. If you like the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And make sure you go ahead and hit that bell notification button so every time I come out with a video, you'll be notified. So, until next time, everybody, deuces.